In today's video, I'll show you how to change your WooCommerce shop page. If you want your store to better match your brand or guide customers through a different layout, updating your shop page is a great place to start. Begin by opening your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, hover over WooCommerce and click Settings. This brings you into the main control panel for your store. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Select the Products tab. Since this is where WooCommerce handles everything related to how your items appear. Inside the Products section, look for the setting labeled Shop Page. This is where WooCommerce defines which page acts as your main shop. Open the drop-down and choose the page you want to assign as your new shop page. You can select a page you've already designed or a new page you plan to customize further. Once you've made your selection, scroll down and click Save Changes. This is the step that locks in your update and tells WooCommerce to use your newly selected page as your storefront. After saving, visit your shop page on the front end to make sure everything looks the way you expect. And that's all it takes. With just a few quick adjustments, you can change your WooCommerce shop page and create a shopping experience that matches your brand and your goals. Thanks for watching and happy selling!